Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and in this video we're going to take a look at the files that I've asked you to send us if you've asked us to modify one of your QuoteValet HTML template files. First off, we need to find this QuoteValet setup screen. I've preloaded it just because it does take a moment to load. To do that, I've gone to the Tools menu. At the bottom there's the Options option. Once I'm on this options screen, I've gone to the QuoteValet tab and hit this QuoteValet Setup button. The QuoteValet Setup screen will open on the General tab. It's the templates that I'm interested in first of all. Now it's probably your customer facing template that you would like us to modify. If it's another one, then select one of the alternatives. But on the assumption it's the customer facing, I then need to select the appropriate template that I want to email. Once I've selected that, this window becomes enabled, and I can either right click and select all, or Control A to select all the text. I then right click and copy it to the clipboard. Now I want to paste it into a Notepad document. So if I open up Notepad and either right click and paste, or click in the window and Control V, that's going to paste the text into the document for me. I'm now going to save this, and in my downloads folder I've conveniently created myself a For Hilltops IT folder, and I'm just going to give this a name. Let's call it Customer Facing, just so as it's completely clear what it is. And that's the first file that I'd like you to send us. The next lot of files I'd like you to send are all listed in this Site Files tab. Now you're probably going to have 3 or 4. I've got so many because we've modified these for other customers. What I want you to do with those that you've got listed is firstly select them, then click this download button. Just going to log into QuoteValet, and that's downloaded the file to the QuoteWerks QuoteValet Site Files folder. I'm going to do this for each of the files that I want to send. Just highlight it, download. Once you've selected and downloaded all these files, then you can hit this Open Containing Folder button. That will open up another window where we've got all of those files listed. I can use my mouse to select all of these, or I can Control A, right click, and I want to take a copy of these and paste them into that Downloads folder that I created earlier. So if we go to Downloads, for Hilltops IT, and paste them in there. Now that's the complete set of files that I'd like you to send. You can select all of them with your mouse, Control A, or if there's just a selection you want to send, just hold the Control key. But Control A those, copy those to the clipboard, Windows clipboard, right click copy, and then paste them into an email. My contact details are coming up on screen now. There we go. Steve at hilltopsit.co.uk, or you can use support@hilltopsit.uk. Email those files across. Once we receive them, we'll get onto the changes as soon as we can for you. Hope this has been useful. We look forward to helping you with more QuoteWerks HTML templates in the future.